Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Kyber network and Zilliqa. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a couple of other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Don't forget to smash that like button or subscribe for more. I just want to say I've recently smashed 2k subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to every single one of you who've supported my channel from the start until now. I'm very grateful, and I will hopefully be returning the favour very soon to you guys. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we start off by taking a look at the market, majority of the market is in the green and is showing very good signs of stability, which is a good sign to see. If we go down to Kyber network, we will see that it is over the past 7 days it has had 5% increase, and over the past 30 days it has a 34% increase, and that does look very nice in my opinion. Over the past 90 days, that's what this chart looks like, which is again very attractive. And this is because DeFi at the minute is having a lot of hype around it, which is good reasons, because DeFi, in my opinion, is going to have a big part of the future. I want to show you this first article. Kraken adds 3 DeFi tokens, Comp, Kyber and KNC. Riding the surge of interest in yield farming, cryptocurrency exchange Kraken is listing 3 tokens from the world of decentralization finance, DeFi. Compound, Kyber and Kyber network will be listed by Kraken starting July 15th. The company announced Tuesday in its big blog post. Comp, the governance token that kicked off DeFi's recent boom, following its June 15th debut. The token was promptly added by Coinbase and others. Kyber is a DeFi platform backed by Binance, Huobi and OKEX. Kyber network is a decentralized exchange whose KNC token became the runaway hit of early 2020. The firm recently announced the creation of a new type of yield farming in which it would share trading fees with KNC token holders. In addition to the 3 DeFi tokens, Kraken announced it will also list STORJ, a token that powers a blockchain-based data storage network. Now, to me, overall, this is big news for Kyber network, because that is just creating a bigger expansion for the accessibility that they have. And with DeFi being a very big hype at the minute, for good reasons, it is expanding on a very good level, which is a good thing to see. The next article that I want to show you guys, this DeFi crypto has yielded 600% profits this year. Here's why. But with this article, it says the token is also at the center of multitude of Kyber operations, which includes staking, delegation, and correlation. The supersonic price rally appeared amid an escalating craze around the decentralized finance project. KNC, a DeFi crypto itself, powers Kyber, one of the most active decentralized exchanges by volume. Meanwhile, the token is also at the center of a multitude of Kyber's operations, which includes staking, delegation, and correlation. If we take a look here, it shows how much it's gone up over the past few months, which is just incredible to see. KNC surged 600% YTD against the top cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Traders are bullish on KNC for its imminent demand as the Kyber network expands. The uplifting settlement has prompted the crypto's price to surge from 0.7 cents to 0.70 cents to $1.70 in less than a month. Market observers see that growth to continue further into the third quarter, and they have plausible reasons. KNC listing. The Kyber network team has successfully pushed a KNC into popular crypto exchanges. On Tuesday, US exchange Kraken announced that it would list fiat-enabled Kyber pairs on its platform, a move that will enable traders to sell and purchase KNC directly via US dollar and euro. And it is also on Binance, and it is also on a couple of other big exchanges as well, which again, it just shows how much growth they are prepared to do, and they are somewhat trusted by these big exchanges, which is again, it is very big news all around in my opinion. Now if we take a look at the last article before we jump into Zilliqa, Now, with Kyber network, it has recently just hit a 2-year high, which is just incredible to see. Kyber network token KNC recently saw a major price surge. The surge comes only days before the project's pending upgrade. After surging by 27%, the coin reached a 2-year high yesterday, July 3rd. KNC, a native cryptocurrency of a project known as Kyber network, recently saw a massive rally that started on June 29th, and it pushed the coin from $1.10 to $1.93. The surge was very sharp, and the token managed to gain more than 27% this Friday, July 3rd alone. KNC price surges. The surge, while very sudden and sharp, did not come as a huge surprise. After all, the project is just about to see major protocol upgrade, which is scheduled to take place on July 7th. Also, since reaching its peak of $1.93 yesterday, the price saw a correction that took it down by 4%, down to $1.65. However, Friday has certainly been KNC's day, as the token became the best performing crypto among the top 100 coins by market cap, which again, if we take a look at it, it is holding very nicely in my opinion, showing strong resistance from that very good high. So is another bull run imminent? I want to know your guys' thoughts down below. So now it's time to look at Zilliqa. We'll start off by taking a look at Zilliqa's price. It is 11% down over the past 7 days and 3% down over the past 30 days, which, because it did have a very good run, it did have over 950% gains since March. We have got to bear that in mind. It has got to have a correction, and considering it's not having a complete free fall, which is again good things to see in my opinion, it shows that it is showing strong signs of stability. Yes, it has got to have a correction, but for it to have a stable correction is what we want to see. Now, I'm going to show you this first article to do with Zilliqa. It says Binance Coin gains 17% on Bitcoin in July, but can IEO season happen? As the price of Bitcoin has slowly been consolidating over the past few months, altcoins have been taking the spotlight. Recently, massive moves were made by Chainlink, Zilliqa and Elrond, and that's just naming a few of the more popular altcoins. Of the three is an IEO, initial exchange offering, meaning investors' eyes are automatically focused on Binance Coin, which has outperformed Bitcoin so far this month by roughly 17%. Moreover, if the price of Binance Coin starts to move, typically the IEO tokens typically follow suit, which is again obviously big news. BNB price breaks above the 100 and 200 day moving average. As shown on this chart below, this week the BNB/BTC pairs breaking above the 100 day and 200 day moving average. This is a crucial breakthrough, as it in previous times marks the start of a new rally. As the daily chart shows below, BNB made a double bottom structure, after which a slight rally occurred, which again overall is big news in my opinion. If this is the start of things, we're going to see a big run. I've been saying it for a while now. I don't think one cryptocurrency is going to stand out and be a outperformer, but I think there's going to be a lot of winners in my opinion. Long story short, I think there's going to be a lot of winners in this space. Self-healing blockchains are a cure for sharding scalability woes. Self-healing blockchains are the only way to create a truly decentralized world within the decade. The world is eagerly waiting for a next generation high performance permissionless blockchain, and this blockchain should be able to industrially scale all decentralized applications. So far, the crypto community has witnessed peer-to-peer blockchain networks that use all the peers to validate transactions and provide computation and storage, or traditional blockchains such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. P2P blockchain networks that shard transactions, computation and storage, or sharding blockchains such as Ethereum 2.0 and Zilliqa. Sharding mechanism gives hope for ultimate sustainability, scalability of blockchains, but many people in the blockchain space strongly believe that the scalability or sharding has reached a tipping point. But that is not quite true. And then quickly down here it says, currently the internet is used in payments, Internet of Things, smart cities, robotics, web searches, streaming videos, autonomous vehicles, etc., etc. Hence, the internet generates over 1 billion transactions per second, over 1 sextillion calculations per second, over 2.5 quintillion lots of data per second storage. This work needs to be harmoniously split among all the peers in P2P network. This splitting of work is called sharding technology. Sharding can be applied to transactions, computations and storage. Now this is what is big news across Zilliqa, because this is what they provide. In my opinion, we are heading into a very, very digitalized system. It is going to be over the next 2 to 3 to 5 to the next 10 years. You're just going to see big changes coming, in my opinion. And I want to know your thoughts down below. Well, what direction do you guys think we're heading in? Now, this is the last thing I want to show you. This is just a quick price analysis of Zilliqa. Now, if we have a look here, these are the key resistance points. And so far it's holding above the key resistance points. It can go down to 0.1733 before it goes the next resistance point, which is 0.16. So far, since it had that big nice run, it is holding nicely in these resistance points, and it's just a case of what direction it does head in next, in my opinion. Now, if you guys have enjoyed anything I brought to you, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe, as it does really help my channel out. I just want to say again, massive thank you to 2,000 subscribers. It really does mean a lot. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.